This is stocks one, which is animal, and in this app the user can see four buttons or image over here, and if they press this image, it will make the sound of this animal and also set a text over here. Let's try it. Yep. And also if they press clear text, it's gonna clear the upper text here. Yep. So for this I have called all the IDs over here of the image and the buttons, and then I have put those in set on click listener, and then passes the reusable functions from here, which is sound and update text view. And this sound, it's gonna take the sound from here, it's gonna pass this one over here, and then same as the image, it's gonna pass from here. Oh sorry, same as the message, it's gonna pass over here and then take the message here. And same like that, when the clear button is pressed, it's gonna clear. I have used again function here, and then it's gonna go over here, and then like I said, the text press any button, which is the initial phase. And also for the clear button, what I've done is it's the at the initial phase of the app, it's gonna like say I have put the set visibility on gone, and when it's pressed, the visibility will be visible again. The bug in this app are, so when the user press the first image and the second image, the sound, it's not gonna stop, it's like it will play. I'll just give a quick example. Yeah, the sound, it's gonna play at the same time. And the another bug is we have to open a new one. So the images, it doesn't align with the background like uh it's displayed here. This is stocks 2, which is London app travel, where the user can select any means of transportation, and the spinner get changed or update according to the transportation they choose. Or airplane. And after they submit, it will take them to the new page where they can find the heading, uh, image description, and also I have put back button here where it will take them back to the initial page, as well as the clear selection button here, it will clear all the selection. So for this I have set the spinner adapter where it will take the default option, and I have put the default option no selection for the initial phase. And for the radio group, to update the spinner, I have used if else button where it will add the options here according to the radio button they click, and it will pass down to the adapter over here and update the spinner as new adapter. So after they choose the spinner and press the submit button, I have used a function open destination activity where I have used if else functions and update the uh, information for the next page, and I have passes them using the intent function here, and for the next page it will take those information and display it to the page. And for the clear selection, first I have put clear check for the radio group and use reset spinner to default functions, where it will again have a new option, a default options which has no selection added, and then it will pass the array into the adapter of the spinner. This is stocks 3, which is Java Pizza, So the user can choose the base and it will update according to the base they choose, and the toppings, it will overlap the picture like this, and also your pizza will be shown and the pictures with the total amount. If they clear it, everything will go, and put the custom toast message. And if they order it, it will again show the custom toast message saying that the total is this. So for the back end, I have put all the pictures in visibility gone, as well as the text. And for the radio buttons, I have used if else functions where the base of the pizza get update and the text will be visible, your pizza text will be visible. And also use the functions update price, so it will update. So here is the update price functions, and it will update the price here. And when they take the pizza topping, I have again used the update price functions here, where I have used if else if functions, and if it's checked, then the visibility the checked picture visibility will be visible, so that we can see it. It is like on the top of the pizza. And for the clear function here, I have again set all the visibility to gone, and put the total price 0, and also use the custom toast message. So here is the custom toast message. The bug in this app is if they check the toppings, and if they uncheck it, it doesn't go, as well as the price, it won't update. For which is coffee catalog. In this stocks, the user can see the heading, image, and description of the coffee, and also they can scroll the image down here. And if they press the image, it will show them the pressed image, heading, description, and as well as the image. And it will come scrolling like that. And also if they press next button, it will go to the next image, or if they press previous button, it will come back to the previous image. So for the front end of this, I have used viewer page for the upper part, and I have used recycler view for the lower part. And for the back end, I have made a populate coffee list function, where it populates all the description, image, and the heading of the coffee. And I have made a new coffee adapter and assigned it to the recycler view, where the recycler view contains item layout, which is over here. It is assigned. And also I have made my view holder, where it will only pass the image to the recycler view. That's why it's only showing image here. And when they press this button, it will show this one, because I have put on click item listener, and I have assigned it position, where if the user press the button, it will have listener item position, and if it has value, it will assign value to that listener. And using the position, and again I have put position for the viewer page, and like this. And from the viewer page, it will take the position and set the image, text, and description according to the position it's getting. Retro vibes, where the user can log in or sign up, and I have used Fire database to store the user information. and this one is main activity, where you can say sign in button and sign up button. Let's go to the sign up button. You can put full name right there, and for email, ruse@gmail.com. Let's put gender male, and 2001. So I have not put password or repassword, and if I try to sign in, it will give me please fill up the password, and I have to fill up the password here. And again, I'll try to sign in. It will again give me please fill up the repassword. I have to do it again, and let's sign in. It will bring me to the main activity page, and again, after I go to sign in, I will put my email, and I will put my password, and also you have a sign up button here where it will redirect to the sign up page, and also the retrovives this logo, it will redirect you to the home page. And I'll go to sign in. Yeah, so I have successfully signed in here, and in the profile page you can see the logo, the image, my name, my email, my gender, and how old am I. So if I want to change my profile, I can simply click this file button here, where it will pop up this one, and I'll go to download, and let's put this one. Okay, now it has changed my profile. I still want to change it again, so let's put this one. Yep, and if I want to sign out, I can sign out here, and it will again take me to the main activity Java page. So for the back end, in the main activity Java, I have two buttons. So I use intent function, and then send it to the sign in class if they press sign in button. And for the sign up, I have put the sign up class. So let's go to sign up class first. So in the sign up class, I have get instant for the Firebase authentication, and also I have put my Firebase as app store, database as app store. So for the front end, I have used if functions to verify or to do the validate for the email, for the uh, email, password, and all the other things. And for the calendar, I have used a list here which is named years, and so this years is will get the value of the I, which I have used for loop. And for this one, I have also used an integer current year, where it will get the current year. And in the for loop, I have set the starting as current year, and the user can go maximum up to 1900. And after this, like I have put this one over here, and it will come to the years. And I have used adapter, and set that adapter to the string, and pass the year value here. And also the adapter is set for your spinner. And for the backend, so the f auth, it will take all. I have also used hasmap for like to arrange the data, and f auth, it will first authenticate and then get the user id, current id, and then send it to the database. I have used logd to check if it has like create or not when passing on the data, so that it's going to be easier for me while coding. And after they successfully log in, I have used intent to send it to the sign in class. This is the sign up java. And for the sign in, so the first thing I did was to check if the user are currently logged in or they are not. So if the user are logged in, it will go to the profile class, and if they are not logged in, so this one will appear. So also to check the validation, form validation, I have used if function here. And so also it's same here, sign in with email and password function, and then on complete I have used intent function again and send it to the profile class, and also a toast message with authentication success, and if it's failed then it will, so the toast message authentication failed. In the profile class, I have used if the user is not logged in and they want to go to profile class, it will directly redirect to them in the main activity class, which is this one. Excuse me. And also they will get so I have they will get the user ID of the profile, and I have used local load user profile functions where I have called all the data from the Firebase and then set it to the strings and emails. And to load the image, I have used Picasso, as all the images will be in the form of URL. So by any chance, if the profile can't get load, I have used again log if function to check what is wrong. And to upload the image, I have used select image functions, and so set it click listener and then use the select image function. And I have again used intent to redirect it to the uh, picture page of the local app, and then again you use the function start activity for result and set it to 1000. And after that it will check if the request code is 1000 or not, and then also pass the and also get data and send it to the image URI. So if the URI is not null, it will go to the function upload image to Firebase. So in this function, this one is stored in the picture, and to show them again in the profile, I have again used the Picasso here, and all these log e I have just called them to check what was wrong. So this is my Firebase database where all the users gonna store, and this is the one we just sign up with. This is a Talk6, which is contact app where the user can scroll through all their contacts, and if they want to search their contact, they can search it like this, and if they press any button, it will redirect them to the call app, and then they can simply call the number. Yeah. So let's first go to getJSON.java. I have used API to call the all the datas from JSON server, and then fetch it over here and then convert it to the string and send it to the contacts. And also I have again made a function set all contact and send all the contacts to this function, which is implement in the main activity, where I have made a new contact adapter and then send all the contacts into the recycler view. And in the recycler view, name, contact, image and email are shown like this, where if the user press the button, uh, it will get the contact number and send it to the string phone number, and the function intent is used, and where the phone number are sent, and then it will be shown in the contact like this. And also in the Android manifest I had to put users permission call phone to redirect it to the call app. And for the search button, I have used a new array and then convert it to the drop down layout, where I have used the contact name function, and for the where I have used for loop to get all the contacts for the adapter, and here is it. And also I have used a filter contact uh, function and then implement it here and use the if else case. Here are the all the contacts that I'm using as a JSON format. Book library, where the user can scroll through books, and if they reserve book, uh, dialog will be shown here with the calendar. And let's use January 1st and the in date 16th, and again one dialog will be shown, which is my basket. And if they want to purchase more or like reserve more book, they can just stay on the product page, and again let's reserve this book. Okay, in date 23. Okay, and this one will be updated. And again, if they want to reserve more book, let's go again. Let's say they don't want this book, they can cancel the reservation Wheel of Time, which is Wheel of Time. And let's say they want Lord of Rings, so they can reserve this one. Then refers to, let's say, February 20th. Okay, so the Harry Potter is here and the Lord of Ring is here, but the other one is not here. And after they finishes like reserving all the books, they can go to the purchase screen, and where they can find the detail of the book as well as the reserve dates. And after they confirm the reservation, the app will close. So for this one, let's first go to main activity. So I have used Firebase database, which is here, where I have stored all the information of the book using the JSON format. And then I have so in the main activity I have made a new array list which is books, and I have made a function which is fetch data from Firebase. So these functions will fetch all the data from Firebase using the data reference, where I have assigned with database get instant and then get refers book, which is this one. And so after they get this one, a new after this one is implemented, a new model is made. And then if the model is not empty, then this array, this books array, will get this model, where this model gets all the data from the database. Yep, and I have also used logd to check if I have successfully got the books from the database or not. And now let's go to main adapter. Oh, just a quick. And I have set one adapter, main adapter, and then pass all the information of this book array list, and then set it to the recycler view for the main adapter. And in the main adapter, the first thing I did was I made a item holder, which is over here, which is gonna which will have all the necessary details that has to show in the recycler view. And then I have made a basket, and I have put all the informations in that name, author, publisher, and the emails. I have used Picasso to get the emails, as the emails are all the URLs. And so after, I have again made a new reserve book to uh, store them in the basket. And when the user click add book, it will have a new function, so data picker, which I have made, and then pass reserve book, add book, and clear book over here. And they will get a first starting date picker, and then the indent picker. And after they successfully do that, all the reserved all the information they put it will be stored in the reserve book. And the reserve, and my basket will get all the information of that reserved book. And then I also have made add to basket function, and then so basket function passing the reserve book data. So for that, here is the so basket function, and here is the add to basket function. Let's first go to add to basket function, where it will get, if the basket is not empty, my basket will be they will add the reserve over here, the data from there. And so basket, it will build a new alert dialog, which will have the strings uh, uh basket items in a string, which is up here. And this, with inside this function, here is all the information of the book that is passes, and I have used for loop to pass all these information, and then show it in the loop. So if they choose more than one book, it will show in the basket. And if they click in the do you want to continue option, I have used intent, and then send it to the process activity class, which is this one. This is the final one. But and if they want to stay in the product page, they can just uh click this, and then I have made use a dialog cancel function here. Coming back to process activity, all the reserved book will get a new array list, which is also reserved books, and it all passes through the intent, and then all of them will get the data for the process activity. And if they press the confirm process, the function finish affinity will close the app. Here are some functions like so this one, add book set visibility view gone, clear book visibility visible. So this one will set the visibility, as I have made two buttons there like this. So if the user click on the add book, the add book visibility will be gone, and then clear book visibility will be set. Same like that, if they cancel on the starting date, the visibility will be gone for the clear book, and the add book visibility will become